Recently at RobeCurls, we dubbed our new headquarters Disco HQ, and you might be thinking, oh, it's because we love a good disco dance battle and glitter. And yes, that is all true, but it's also because we love to shine in every direction possible, and that includes with our return and our exchange policies. So you might be noticing that other brands are changing their returns and exchange policies and making it more difficult for customers to get their money back and exchange things or return things. And while these retail companies are trying to grasp at dollars where they feel that they're losing out, where does that leave customers? It leaves them frustrated, honestly kind of sour, very confused. It's just not a good experience overall. So rather than, having a Ben and Jerry's session where we just vent about all of those situations, we wanted to just clear the air and separate ourselves as a company from those situations and let you know what our returns policy is and how it helps you have the best customer experience possible. In short, our return policy is love it or gift it, 100% money back guaranteed. We are pretty confident that you are going to love your curling headband. But we also know that it's a new invention that we brought to market, and it's going to take a few steps to get into the swing of things. And it's also why we offer our one-on-one free curl talks, where you can simply hop on a call with one of our curling experts and they'll guide you on how to get the curl of your dreams. You just sign up on our website, RobeCurls.com. And again, it is completely free. But if you're still not satisfied and you're not sure the product is right for you, we offer a different alternative than other return policies out there. See, one of our core values at RobeCurls and as a company is to focus on genuine stewardship, which means that we genuinely love our planet that we live on and we seek to protect it where we can. We are a member of 1% for the planet. We are also a certified climate neutral, and we have a returns policy that aligns with those goals. So instead of using unnecessary dollars and resources on returning your curling headband, we know you have a friend who will love it, and we ask that you just gift it to them, someone who will really enjoy learning how to curl their hair with heatless style. And don't worry, we will still process your return fully, 100% money back guaranteed. So if our product is truly not working out, super easy. Just get in touch with us, with our customer success advocate at hello@robecurls.com, and with no stress involved, we will make sure you have a wonderful experience returning, quote unquote, returning your curling headband and getting your money back. Now, if you got the wrong product, no problem. Our shipping crew has a lot on their shoulders, and we do our absolute best to ensure the right product makes it to your doorstep. But everyone is human, and we know that mishaps can happen. And when they do, we seek to make it right every time. We just simply ask for a little patience and to please contact our wonderful customer success advocates at hello@robecurls.com. Now, returns. They are not a fun process for either side, but we hope that our curling headband meets your expectations to create the best curls that last all day. When it comes down to it, if you're not satisfied, we are not satisfied. So get your money back, gift your curling headband to a friend, or gently recycle it. Those are the options that we hope are going to make you a true fan of RobeCurls and also make our world a better place. And if you're not sure what to do, simply get in touch with us. We take care about you and are here to support your curl journey every step of the way. We hope this return policy does right by you, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Emily Kenison, the inventor of RobeCurls Heatless Curling Headband, and I want you to enjoy this community, which includes creating policies that always put you, the customer, our curl friend, first. For more RobeCurls hair tutorials and some fun behind-the-scenes videos, check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel, RobeCurls YouTube channel. And until next time, curl friends, keep making waves.